Hi guys, it's me, Miss Julie, and Elijah's joining me today. We're going to do another project. Science, we love it. This time we're going to use an empty popper water bottle, vinegar, baking soda, and a balloon. I wonder what we are going to be doing. Let's find out. First, we need to, I'm going to move this down a little, put some vinegar in the bottle. About halfway. I think halfway will do. Now we need to get the baking soda inside of this balloon. I'm going to use a funnel. I'm going to put it right over the opening. I'm just going to pour, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon in there. And then to get the baking soda inside the balloon, I'm just going to pull it down like this and tap it and pull it. And it goes down in there eventually. It's almost done in there. There it goes. Get down in there. It's empty. All of it is in here. You could feel it. It feels kind of weird inside of there. So now I'm going to take the opening of the balloon and put two fingers and open it up because it has to go on the mouth piece of this bottle. I'm going to put it over just like that. Now, I wonder what's going to happen when I hold this balloon up and all of the baking soda falls inside the vinegar. Do you have any ideas? Shall we do it and find out? Okay. Whew. Oh my goodness, friends, what is happening to this balloon? Do you see what's happening inside the bottle? It's getting all fuzzy and bubbly, and there must be pressure in it because the pressure is making air, and the air is, wow, it's filling up my balloon. Look at how big it's getting. Ooh. Wow. Wow, friends. Ooh. Check it out. I can hear it bubbling inside of the balloon. Whew. Now see what's happening? Oh, the reaction has stopped. The balloon is full. Huh. Isn't that so cool? I hope you get an opportunity to do this with your family. If you do, take a picture and post it on our telesite so we can all see the cool science. Wait, see, Aya?